Hi friends, this is Kramer and welcome to EasyRoboPro, where we make the fundamentals of robotics and programming fun and easy to learn. Well, everyone likes playing games, especially kids. But what if these kids can develop their own games with their own rules, characters and music? Yes, they can do this easily and learn all the fundamentals of programming through this wonder language called as Scratch. To know more, let's get started.
Introduction to Scratch programming. Scratch is a very easy and a very powerful language for the beginners, especially for kids. It was developed by Lifelong Kindergarten Group at MIT. With Scratch, we can build games. We can also build creative stories and powerful animations. Getting started with Scratch programming. To get all the information about Scratch programming, we can visit the site scratch.mit.edu. With the same site, we can download the offline editor for Scratch, which will be available for all the major operating systems like Windows and Mac. We also have a Scratch online editor where you can quickly start creating your first Scratch program. Coding or programming concepts that we can learn through Scratch programming. Scratch is an event-based drag and drop language, which means we can drag the components of programming into the coding area and run our code. The events can be something like a start event, stop event, mouse click event, key press event, or we can create our own events and broadcast them. Scratch looks simple, but it's a very powerful language. Like any other programming language, it has variables, operators, arithmetic operators, logical operators, relational operators, control statements, if else, for loops, repeat loops, motion, moving the character from one area to another area, looks, which means displaying information, changing backdrops, changing the costume, sound, we can have our own sound recorded or we can use the inbuilt sounds available, sensing, like sensing some color or sensing some character touch. We also have a concept of video sensing, which is very interesting. Finally, we can create our own blocks using Scratch programming language. We can also learn some complex concepts of object-oriented programming and also learn something about multi-threading using Scratch. So it's very powerful in terms of programming concepts. Interesting fact about Scratch programming. You'll be surprised to know that through Scratch programming, we can learn the concept of machine learning, especially for kids. There's a website called as machinelearningforkids.co.uk. There you can find projects which are based on machine learning, on data, images and sound, and based on this you can learn about the real world application of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Benefits of learning Scratch programming. Scratch is a visual language, which means you can see the outcome of your program. Scratch helps us to build the logical skills, your thinking power, your analytical skills, and finally your mathematical or your computational skills. Scratch also helps to enhance creativity. With Scratch, you can build your own animations, your stories, your own characters. Finally, you should like what you learn, and for programming language, Scratch is more of fun to learn. Now, this is some fun part where we'll see some projects that we can do or we have done using Scratch programming. Project number 1 is about building a simple game which can be a space game where you have a missile going to a particular location, a destination like a moon or a Mars, and then picking up some important materials from there. Second project is about a concept-based quiz game wherein in a restaurant, based on the correct answer that you provide for the quiz, you will get a particular discount. project is about a game which is built on a story and with mythological characters.
You are mine, coming for you, Sita.
Fourth project is about a game which includes sports like football and cricket. Fifth project is about an adventurous game where we have car chase, rifle shooting, and dinosaurs. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon. You can also visit our site www.easyrobopro.com. Thank you.